Getting refund from any Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo is very easy and very simple and straightforward to do. All you have to do is to make sure you understand the procedure and the procedure. So in this video, if you are finding it difficult to get a refund from any Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo, I'm going to walk you guys through step by step on how you get it done without any hassle. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you get a refund from a Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo app. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement and importation and importer coach. I have coached a lot of people on how they can procure from China without using agent. If that is sound interested and you have any business related issue for me as far as Chinese business is concerned, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number on the screen right here. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can get a refund from any Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo app. So this one right here, so let me quickly head over to my Pinduoduo app. So right here, there are different types of refund that you can apply for and get successfully on Pinduoduo. One of the refund is a situation whereby if a supplier failed to deliver your parcel in time. Another reason to ask for a refund is a situation whereby a product delivered was not made the quality you expect from the supplier. So for this particular tutorial, we are going to treat a product that was delayed on transit as a result of pandemic that is going on right now in China. So if your product is on transit, it's going to be right here. Okay, so getting a refund from a product on transit is very simple. You have to contact your supplier and let them know that you are getting a refund. Whether you contact them or you don't even bother to contact them, you are still going to get your money back. And this is a very good thing about Pinduoduo app. So be rest assured, if you get your product delivered, you are good to go. If your product was not delivered, you are getting your money back, no matter how long it takes. So this product right here, the product on transit right here, I'm filing a refund for the product. So the product here was purchased as far as 1 month ago, but there was a delay on transit as a result of pandemic, like I said earlier on this video. So there was a delay on in delivery. So I'm going to make a refund for the product. So the product is okay, this product right here, I'm going to ask for a refund for the product. So the product is over a month now on transit in China, so they are unable to deliver. So I have to get my money back from this seller. So for you to get your money back from any seller that failed to deliver based on some reason or one or the other, so all you have to do is to click on here. Okay, you have to be sure that the product is on transit and it is very much delayed before you can apply for this type of process of refund. So you have to click on here. So when you click on here, it takes you to another page whereby you need to process your refund. Okay, all right, so these are the different options by which you can use to ask for your refund. The first one right here is a situation whereby if the product was not delivered, that is, you have not received the parcel. So this is the first option. The second option here is the situation whereby you want to return the product. Maybe the product quality is not what you expected. So you can refund, you can ask for a refund. But for my own case, the goods was not delivered. There is so much delay and I can no longer wait for this supplier to deliver this parcel. So henceforth, I'm going to ask for the refund. So for you, if you are in that category of delayed delivery, you have to select here. You click on here to place or file for a refund. So I'm going to click on that. Then it opened up right here. So this is the section whereby the refund is going to take place. So right here, you just have to type in whatever the case it is that make this product that was not delivered in the first place. So product was not delivered because of pandemic, was not delivered because of pandemic. So you can either type in Chinese character or you type in English language, whichever way. So once you are done with your typing, you can upload a screenshot if you have time for that. So finally, you click on here. So I'm going to click on that, and you can just choose on any option right here. Click on here again, and choose this. And finally, you have to click on here to submit the refund. So within a very short time, the refund is going to be processed, and then you get your money back from the supplier. So once you submit a refund, it's going to be reflected right here. So you can see we have 4 buttons now instead of 3 that we have initially. So you can easily go back to your profile and track your refund process right here. You have to click on here and see the process. So right here, the product is going to line up right here. Okay. So you can easily track the process of your refund, and once the seller approves the refund, so you can see it right here. So I'm getting a refund for the sum of 34.7 RMB. So once the refund process concluded, they are going to refund the money back into my Alipay account. So this is how you get a refund for a product that was not delivered in time from Chinese supplier to your warehouse or to your whatever address in China, and most especially if your product is on transit. So I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more China importation business related topics. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.